Have you ever heard the noise of a wind turbine? I bet that only few of you did. And the reason is not that wind turbines are quiet, but the reason is that they are placed far enough from residential buildings so that they don't bother anyone. Now, the energy demand is constantly increasing, and especially from renewable resources, and we don't have much space left where we can install a wind turbine that is at the same time far from residential buildings and it respects the design criteria such as enough wind. So in the near future we will need to install wind turbines closer and closer to inhabited places, but without increasing the noise in that area. The goal of my PhD is to answer this need, designing a tool for wind farm noise prediction that is able to account for the characteristics of the specific site where the wind turbines have to be installed. These characteristics are, for example, the ground topology, the other noise sources like roads or railways, and the atmospheric conditions. In the first 2 years, I developed this tool and I studied the effect of different parameters on the simulations. For example, as you might expect, it's better to install the wind turbine over a grass field than over a large parking lot made of asphalt. And the reason is that the grass field will absorb part of the noise, which instead will be reflected much more efficiently by the asphalt. In the last year, I focused on the follow-up question. So, how annoying is wind turbine noise when compared to other noise sources? So, let's suppose that you live, for example, close to a road with maybe cars passing at high speed or close to a railway, and there is also a wind turbine nearby. So would you be more annoyed because of the presence of the wind turbine, or it doesn't really matter that the wind turbine is there? In other words, I want to predict how annoying a wind turbine will be when installed in a specific site. To answer this question, the first thing that one can do is to oralize the noise, which means to generate an audio file that you can listen to, and this is what I'm focusing on right now. Later, these files can be used for noise annoyance studies, which means that you can ask to a group of people to rate how annoying a wind turbine will be in that specific location. Also, they can be used as a tool as a support for non-experts to possibly demystify the idea that wind turbines are noisy.